let us start with the second example. In the second question of the exercise 4, they have asked you to find the diagonal of a rectangle where they have given the length and the breadth of the rectangle. Length they have given 12 centimeter and breadth is given 7 centimeter. Let us name as A, B, C and D. Now BD be the diagonal of this rectangle. That means I have to find BD. To find BD, again I have to, as it is a right angle triangle, again we can apply the Pythagoras theorem on it. As it is given a rectangle, so you know opposite sides are equal. So this is also 12 centimeter and opposite to BC, AD, that is also 7 centimeter. So to find BD square, I will write that is AB square plus AD square. So just substitute the values, you will get 12 square plus 7 square. That will give me 144 plus 49. And after adding that, we will get 9 plus 4, 13. 1 carry, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. And then this one. Now BD square, that is diagonal of this square of this diagonal is 193. So we need BD. So that means I have to take root of both the sides. BD square is 193. Therefore root of BD square is BD and that is root of 193. So this diagonal is root of 193. The next third question in this exercise is you have to find the diagonal of a square. Square means all the sides are equal and they have given 8. So all the sides of equal length. And when to find out the diagonal, again I have to apply the Pythagoras theorem as this angle is a right angle. Let me name this square PQRS. So now S or QS is a diagonal of this square. So again applying by Pythagoras theorem, I can find out this diagonal. QS square is equal to PQ square plus PS square. Again substitute the value, that is sides of that square, that is 8 square plus 8 square, that gives me 64 plus 64. When you add this, you get 4 plus 4, 8 and this 12. So now QS square is 128. We need just QS. So we have to take the root on both the sides. So root of QS is root of 128. So the diagonal of this square is root of 128. Hope so you have understood this example very well. Now let me start with the other topic. Now the next topic of this chapter is the approximate value of the square root of non-perfect square number. As we have already done the root of 20 by division method and we got that answer 4.4721 and infinity, as the dot indicate that it continues. Now for this approximate value you have to see what they have asked you. If the approximate value is asked up to 3 digits after decimal point, then I have to consider the 4th digit. Now here in this number, 4th digit is 1 and if it is 5 or greater than 5, then I have to add 1 digit to the 3rd place. Now here as 1 is less than 5, so I will just drop that number and the value up to 3rd digit will be 4.472. Now if they will ask you approximate value, this is the symbol, up to 2 digits after decimal point. So now again for the first two digits, this is 4 and 7, we have to consider the third digit. Again the third digit is less than 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, then I'll add 1 digit over here. But as 2 is less than 5, so I'll just drop that number and I can write this approximate value as 4.47. Again, if they'll ask the approximate value up to 1 digit. Now for the 1 digit, I have to consider the second digit. Now this second digit is greater than 5, that is 7. So if it is greater than 5, I'll add 1 to this digit. That will make 4.5. So the approximate value of root 20, it's approximately equal to 4.5. So the length of that triangle which I have seen, which I have already explained, in that length, that it will give me 4.5. If actually you will measure that, it is near to 4.5. So now it's clear that whenever the question is asked for, we can take the approximate value by considering the next digit. If it is asked for third digit, then I will consider the fourth digit, and the fourth digit is 5 or more than 5, then I'll add 1 to this, and if it is not, then I'll drop. So here as it is 1, which is less than 5, I'll drop that 1 and the value will be 4.472. Again for the second digit, again I have to consider the third number. The third number is 2. Again it is less than 5. So I'll drop that 2. So the approximate value up to 2 digit is 4.47. If it is asked for 1 digit after decimal point, I'll consider the next number to it. Here it is 7, which is greater than 5. So I will add 1 to the digit before it, that is 4 plus 1, 5, which gives me 4.5. So the approximate value of root 20 is 4.5.
Choose the right kindergarten, a right bag, and matching bottle to go with. The right school, the right friends. Choose the right subjects and score well. Be an expert in all. The right teacher, and make sure that they like you. Choose the right timing, the right bus, and take a cab if getting late. The right train, and don't stand near the gates. Mind the pockets. Better get into ladies' compartment. And make sure your mustache hasn't started coming. Choose the right study time and forget games. IPL, IHL, rock and metal, guitar, axe. The right group, and be a model to your brother. Seriously. Choose the right syllabus, the right test paper. Keep guessing questions for exams. Choose the right branch, the right college, the right stream. Choose the right career. Lucky to have a father's business to take care of and a father to allow that. The right counselor, the right form, and make sure the project is submitted on time. Choose the right website and rely on your friends for more information. Oblivious of the sites they have been to, there is no end to your woes. Getting better with every step you climb up the ladder. The summer vacations shorter, the bucket list bigger, the night darker, the books heavier. The only light you have is your friends ahead of you. Probably he is right. Ever thought how he got the direction? No more spending your energy and money on coaching classes. No more missing classes for rain, rally, and nonsense. Get your interest back in subjects through our creative ways of teaching. Doubts, concepts, applications, all explained through one vibrant animation. Subjects covered by multiple teachers with repeat telecasts, special programs only for basic foundation and paper analysis, personality development, career counseling, admissions, hobbies, all covered. A new approach to study with long-term perspective. So sit back comfortably in your homes and watch Study Spectrum TV channel.
Now children, the last topic of this chapter, that is to find the square root of decimal fraction by division method. Here two examples are given in your textbook. That is, the first example is 555.5449. Let me start with the division method, which we have already understood before. Now again, first thing we have to make the group of 2, and here the first number is 5, which is a single digit. I have to take such number that square should be near to this. We know that square of 2 is 4. So I'll start with 2. 2 into 2 gives me 4. After subtracting, I'll get 1 over here, and this 55 together we have to take it down. Don't forget to add this 2 to this, that will make 4. Now next step is I have to see such a number that after multiplying give me 155 or near to that. Now I'll take 3 over here. Now multiplying 43 by 3 give us 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. That is 129, which is somewhat near to 155. So 43 multiplied by 3 give us 129. Subtracting that will get 15 minus 9 will give you 6. 4 minus 2 will give you 2. Then the next step is this 3 you will bring it over here, add to 43, that will give you 46. Then bring this after point, you have to bring that 54 below. You have to remember, if here there is point, you have to take it over here. Now again we have to take such number that will give me the number near to this after multiplying it. Now if I take 5, that is 465 into 5, it will give me 5 into 5, 25, 2 carry, 5 6 are 30, that will make 32, 3 carry, 5 4s are 20 plus 3, 23. So I'll take 5 over here. After multiplying 5 by this number, we get 2325. Subtract this number from this, again we'll get over here 9, 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 3, 3. Now the next step is that 5 I will add over here, and this will give me 10, 1 carry, 7, 4. Now I have to again bring this 2 number over here, and it will make 32,949. Now to solve further, I have to again take some number which is multiplied by this, will give me this number or near to this. As 9 is there, I can try with 7. As we know, square of 7 is 49, which gives 9 in the unit place. So 7 into 7 makes 49. So 4 carry, 4 into 0, 0 plus 4, 4. 7 into 7 again 49, 4 carry, and then 7 into 4, 28, and 4, that will give you 32, which is the exact number which we need. So here I'll take 7, Now 4707 multiplied by 7 give me exactly the same number. After subtracting, I'll get 0. The next step is you have to add that 7 over here, and this will give you 14, 1 carry. So it is clear that from this, the root of 555.5449 is equal to 23.57. Now here we have seen that it is in a terminating form, that after 7 no remainder is there. So this is the exact root of this given number. Now the second example is 53.187000. To find this root, again by division method, I will make the group of 2. Now here the first group is 53. So I'll start with 7. Now 7 into 7 we know it gives us 49. So after subtracting it, it will give 4. Now add the 7 to this, that will give us 14. Now as the decimal point starts over here, so I'll put decimal over here and I'll bring this both the digit below. That is 418. Now I have to see that which number I can put over here and multiply, that will give me this. Let me try with 2. So 2 into 2 give us 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Now if I take 3, so it gives me 9, 12, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3, plus 1 4. 429, which is greater than this. So better to take 2. So now when 142 multiplied by 2, it gives us 284. So after subtracting it, we get 4, 11 minus 8, 3, and here 3 minus 2, 1. And then you have to add this 2 to this. It will give me 144. The next step is to bring this 70 below. Now it is 13,470. Again we have to see. Now if I put 9 over here and multiply by 9, let's see what we get. 1,449 into 9. 9 into 9, 81, 8, 9 into 4, 36, and 8, 44, 9 into 4, 9 into 8 is, 9 into 4 is 36, 36 plus 8, 44, 4, then again 9 into 4, 36 and 4, 40, 9 into 1, 9 plus 4, 30. This gives me 13,041. Now after subtracting it, I'll get 9, 2, then 3, 4. And here I have to add 9. That will give me 18, 1, 5, 4, 1. Now again if the remainder is there, so I'll bring this to 0 over here and see that which other number I can put and find this number. If I multiply 1, 4, 5, 8, 2 by 2, I'll get 4, 16, 1 carry, 11, 1 carry, 9, 2. So that will give me 29164. That is 14,582 multiplied by 2 will give me this number. In this way it will go on continue, means there is infinity of number. So if it is asked to write an approximate value, I can write the root of 53.18700 is equal to 7.292 and that means infinitive. It goes on. To write it in approximate value, if they'll ask up to 1 decimal digit, here we have to consider the second digit which is greater than 5. So this I can write as 7. If it is greater than 5, I have to add 1 digit to this, that will make 7.3. And if it is asked up till 2 decimal point, we have to consider the third digit which is less than 5. So it will be 7.29. As it is less than 5, we have to drop that digit. So these are the approximate root of the given number. Now that was the end with this chapter. I hope it is clear and you can solve the rest of the exercise 5 and 6 by this explanation.